out custody for battery. And 4.
Stock exhaust, sport mode, traction off, easy acceleration. Starting to snow out here. Wide open. Handles pretty good in the snow. Better than I thought with the traction control on. Alright, dead stop. Punch it. Get all that out of it there. Start a little wheel spin.
26-10-4.
School got canceled today for my kid because they predicted snow, but didn't start like it was supposed to. You're supposed to get 10 inches. But that's stock exhaust. I got the Flowmaster Force II in the mail. I'll get a better video when I put it on. I get a better video now, but it's pretty slick out here. 2013 Charger RT Plus. Pretty much stock other than the window tint. That's it. 798 miles on this baby.